Okay guys, it's Bismoto. Finally, I'm making the video of the Ice Bear Champion with the ZS190. I was having trouble with camera issues, and I had a CDI issue, which I'll explain in the video. And I also had a lot of audio issues, so still waiting on the muff for my new camera, so I'm back to my old one. And we had a lot of weather issues too, so which you can see, it looks like it's going to rain again. It's supposed to rain for the next few days, so we'll see. But anyways, guys, the Ice Bear Champion with the ZS190. What I was saying with the CDI issue I had is that whenever I get to, I'd start going more than probably about a little over half throttle, it would get really bad hesitant, where it felt like the motor would just die, but it would pick up again and it like jerk the bike really hard. So, but with that old CDI, this bike was extremely super fast. I mean, I GPSed it and I can't believe what the GPS said. So I'm not going to say it, but let's just say it was quite a bit over 80 miles an hour. It was crazy, but I don't know if the reason why the CDI did not work with this motor is maybe it was either too much advance, I'm thinking, or something. It had to have been something like that, because this thing was, when you would get past that initial jerking it would do at that throttle position, it would just cook. But it was very dangerous because it would jerk so hard it felt like it was going to throw the bike over to one side. So I changed the CDI to the one that came with the ZS190. And now it runs perfect, but it's not as fast. Now it feels like it will do about it feels like it will do about 80 like my other one. But with the other CDI in fifth gear, it would pull so hard. I was like, holy crap. But I thought it was a carb issue, but I sat there and adjusted, and it wouldn't work. But as soon as I changed the CDI, it was flawless. So, but I would rather have it running dependably than the way it was. But otherwise, guys, you know, the only mods I really did to this was the bigger tires and rims and a motor, and you know, that's about it. And this thing rides nice, just like, you know, I wouldn't say as nice as my Grom, but I mean, it feels quality. It doesn't feel cheap. Even with the stock motor, and it ran nice, you know. I mean, it wasn't. I wouldn't put this bike down. I mean, even in stock form, it was a lot of fun. I mean, I never rode it with the stock tires on it because I got it in the winter time, but definitely a lot of fun. This bike now, when you're starting out, it always feels like you want to take off on a wheelie, but I'm getting used to it now, so it's not so bad anymore. Handling is, I would say, outrageously good on this bike. I like it. It flicks over really fast. I mean, I guess some people don't like that, but it does really well. am not the best at corners yet, so I gotta practice one of these days. I'm just gonna spend a day or two out and just take as many twisty roads as I can and just try to get it down again. I used to be decent at it years ago, but for some reason now I'm not as good as I used to be, so I need to work my way back up. Maybe it's just because every winter, you know, you get that long winter where you're not doing anything. You just get out of the routine. And I never, you know, even last year I hardly rode at all because, you know, I work second shift. So when you work second shift, you don't have the nice days to go home to and ride. So I would always end up riding on the weekends, and the weekends would be cold or just, you know, or I just would have other things I had to get done. So last year did not give me much time at all to do anything. This year I bought a bunch of cameras thinking I was going to do a whole lot more moto vlogging, and so far that has not been working out very well, unfortunately. But hell yeah, guys, if you were thinking about buying the Ice Bear Champion, I would say get one. Even if you keep it stock, people are saying with slight mods they're doing 60, which is not bad at all. Not bad. That's as fast as like a Grom will do stock. People are telling me a Grom will do stock 70. They're full of shit. I have never seen a Honda Grom do 70 stock out of any of the Groms I own. I hope you guys can hear me. This bike is